Hello everyone. If you were in my science class today, you may be aware that Kristen, JP, and my volcano was a failure. So I went out and I got Diet Coke and I also got Mentos just to see if I can redeem myself through Diet Coke and Mentos and show you what was supposed to happen. Liam, watch it with the ball. Now, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm very nervous to do this. Oh, by the way, after I put the Diet Coke in here, the Mentos in here, Liam will be holding it. Oh, no?
Yes.
Hi, Mrs. Coles. I mean, I wasn't gonna... Okay, anyway, I'm very, very scared it's gonna blow up on me like it did last time.
This is probably not gonna work.
Shut up. No one needs you pessimists.
Can I hold it?
No. I would not like little children to...
Can I hold it?
Back up. Please blow up. Please. Blow up. Blow up. You're just kicking it towards me.
I think you have to shake it up.
Open it. Move, Liam.
Wait,
Open
shake it up.
Shake it up. Shake it. Step on it.
Just have Liam open it.
Okay, so this isn't exactly working, so I'm just gonna throw it in the street and see if it'll... Oh! It's shot!